Hey, what's up everyone? MM2 here, and welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't been recording for a while because I've been quite busy, so today I'm going to be start doing Construct 2 tutorials, and I'm not used to how the screen is right now because I'm doing this on my TV monitor because it's the only way I could get it to work, and I have to use normal OBS because it's the only way I can get it to work. So if you want to know how you do this, if you don't know how to do it already, you just go to File, New, then you open a new one. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to stop. Okay, sorry, I'm getting off track here. I didn't explain what we're going to do, so I'm going to be doing the first game tutorial. I'll be showing you some Construct 2 tutorials that I've learned myself and that I found out about, and probably do like any details if I can. If you guys want to try this at home, I'll leave a link to the download, and I'll leave the link to the thing to get the images from, because I'm using their images. So first, just double click whatever, double tap whatever. Go to tiled background, and you guys cannot. It's opened on my other screen. Oop, let me shift them over. There it goes. So I'm going to send this. You click on this file here. Is it that one? There it goes. Yep. Yeah, my file's gonna stay on this side, and yeah, I did on to try doing some Dragon Ball stuff, so I did download some Dragon Ball sprites. But let me go see where I put them at. Theme pictures. Where did I put them at? They're in downloads, aren't they? That was just in. Okay, let me go find them real quick. I don't know where I installed them to. Ah, they're in music. I don't know why they're in music. They just are. So the background, boom. So that'll be our first thing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do snap to grid because I actually like doing that. So while I'm doing this, I am following their instructions just because I don't remember everything about it. And I'm sort of doing this at the same side as them. I'm just looking at it. So for size for this, we're going to do is size is 1280 1024. That's the size we're going to be doing, and I'm guessing that's also going to be the size of the map, because I'm pretty sure they have to be the same size. Yep, I'm just going to go copy and paste it. Boom, boom, it's done. So let me see if I did this right. Yep, I have. Okay, so now we're going to be adding a layer under here. So what you do is just the plus button, and you can name it if you want. So this one is going to be the background, which for now we can just name background, and if you want you can lock it. And this would be the main one. So next we are going to be adding in the player. We're actually going to be adding in all of the objects we're going to be using. And yeah, we're going to be adding all of them now. So you can do sprites for them, as they are sprites. Oh, and you get another bar called the animations. If they have animations of any sort, they will go in right there. So yeah, it's going to keep leading it over there. And yeah, actually, it's fine if you see the music one. It's only going to show the files anyways. So first we got the. Hold up, I'm going to check if it's recording actually. Yep, it is. And you also get this. Hold up, I gotta move it. It won't let me move it over now. Oh, because I'm in here. I'm gonna leave the player one open first. Yep, this is gonna be open there. That also opens up. So that's done. What you can do is press shift and press this key. It crops it down to as small as it can go. We're at another sprite. This one would be the monster. I'm gonna do shift. Small as well. And so you need two more sprites if you saw, because all the sprites are from this. Explosion. Crop it as small as it can go. Sprite. And the bullet. Crop it as small as it can go. Yeah. So after that, let's see. Okay. Okay, so next it just shows to name them. So player. You right click to do this, by the way. Monster. Dupe. And yeah, they will move around as they go by alphabetical order, I think. Or yeah, it's like alphabetical order. Boom. Okay, I did that in the main one. Good job for me. So next we are going to be adding a behavior, which is going to be the 8-bit. 8-bit direction. So this is how we're going to get the players to move. So what we're going to do first, click on this. Where's my mouse? There it is. Behaviors. Click on it, and you'll get this thing here. What you do is click that plus sign, and then you'll get this bar here. I'm just going to move it like this. Okay, I cannot move the other one, so we're going to go to 8-bit direction. And what else do we need? Oh, okay, then we also need scroll to. This is how you get the camera to follow you, and then bound to layout. What this does, it means it cannot exit the layout whatsoever, and I gotta find it. There it is. So this is the only one for the player, and let's move it in here. So now we are actually going to test it. So boop. And you guys have seen you guys should remember this. You all should remember this background, because I did make a game of this on the old channel. And yeah, so ta-da, it's moving everything. Simple coding, very simple coding. So now we're going to be doing the bullet. So first off, it wants its speed. Okay, okay, and it's going to keep popping up on the screen for some reason. So for the bullet, we need bullet effect. Yeah, there's actually a thing called bullet on you. Then destroy outside layout. Add the bullet movement to the monster attributes because it's just... Okay, I don't know if I'm using the other one. Yeah, so just doing this, I guess. So these are the only two we're doing. Monster. I think the bullet has something to do. Speed's 400, yeah, it's that speeds. And this behavior keeps popping up the other screen. Sorry about that, guys. So this one has bullet, just bullet animate. I think this one just has bullet. Pretty sure that's the only one. And then explosion is going to have fade. And I'm just gonna move. Yeah, that's a pops here, but the other one doesn't. So I'm just gonna leave it there. When the game you know. So we'll be doing. I just have the monster there, and we'll see what it have right here. Then let's test and see what it does. Yeah, you guys missed it. Hold up, let me refresh. See, it's moving like a bullet. It's just gonna move in that direction forever and ever. So we're gonna be creating some more monsters. So it wants us to place some more monsters around here, so we'll be doing that. So to use this, you press Control and drag. That's actually how you create other monsters. Or clone the NPCs, where you just click Control and add. Okay, I'm just gonna leave 8 there because I don't know, the Taurus is 7 or 8, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, now we're going to be doing this. I think it's just forgetting steps, or I'm not reading them right. Hopefully I'm doing this right. So let's see. Yeah, go to event sheets. Then first one we'll be doing is, okay, it's gonna keep doing this. System every tick. So this means every second this object will be doing. So it'd be player set angle towards. I chose the wrong one. Mouse.x. Mouse.y. Hold up. This thing is skipping stuff. So you're gonna double click this and you click on the mouse option. So what you do, it will allow you to add commands with the mouse, which now I can do the player. Set angle towards mouse.x and mouse.y. Boom. So I'm going to go back here because I clearly missed some steps. So let's see. Oh yes, I did actually have to read it. So that was my mistake. So let's see. Fade out time would be half a second. See, so the speed of the monsters would now be, okay, since I would duplicate, I would have to click the whole thing if I want to set a certain speed or a certain thing to all of them. So that would be 80. Let's see, let me read this. Yeah, that's why I have this out, so I know how to do this. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I didn't skip anything else. I'm right where it should be. I think, anyways. Yeah, so event, we're gonna go to event sheets. Sorry guys, but I haven't done this in like a year. So this is why I don't remember most of this stuff, because I forgot most of it. So the next one we're doing is a, okay, so this one would be mouse on click. On left click, it would be doing player spawn another object, and this is how you get to spawn the bullets. So it chooses this screen, which has all the sprites, and I'll have mine set to bullet. And this would be on layer 1, and this would stay image points 0 for now. Let's see. There he goes. Now we'll go to the player here, edit animations, then we'll be clicking this button here. That'll be, it'll bring this up here, and so we'll click on this, and we shall hopefully zoom. I don't know if I can zoom in. Yeah, I can. So we'll zoom in here, and you can use the mouse keys for this. And we'll choose this image point, and its origin is image point 0. What we do then, if we shoot from here, it'll spawn here. So that is a good thing. Blueprint appears in here. Left click. Close the image. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm just reading this out loud. Boom. And you can click enter to close it, by the way. So let's see. Run the game, the bullets now appear from the bullets. So yeah, let's do that. Let's run it and see how it does. Boom. Okay, and I'm back. Sorry I had to go do something, but now we'll be doing the next step, which is adding a, okay, well basically, sorry guys, it's just really cold outside right now. I had to go outside right now, throw away trash, but it's really cold right now. Okay, so we'll add a condition. So this is what a condition is. It is things like system every tick, that's a condition. So we'll do this. Bullet on collision with a monster. What do we do? It will do do object monster destroy, and bullets will spawn. It will spawn an object, it will spawn an explosion on layer 1. Boom. So if you notice that there's a black line around there, and once we run it, so I'm pretty sure we're like missing something. Phew. See? When it hits, and it didn't even destroy the bullet. I forgot one. Oh yeah, I thought I'd do this bullet destroy. You saw the explosion still had the black lines around it. So what you do is click on the explosion, and there's settings called blend mode. So let me go find it. Blend mode, we'll switch that to additive. There it is. So boom, the black line's gone. This doesn't work for everything, but in our case it works for this. So it'll also make the image look a bit clearer when we run it. Sorry guys, I mean can't do. I'm doing this because I'm also a bit hungry. I have not eaten breakfast nor lunch. So yeah. So let's just see. Additive will change each pixel. Since black is technically 0, it changes it to nothing. That's good. So the next thing will be changing how the monsters work. So now we'll be doing this, the monster condition. Now I go to start, and I'll stay on the start of the layout. On start of layout, it will do monster set angle to random 360. That's 360 means 360 degrees, and it'll start in a random degrees that's around that. So I'm going to do another one, which is monster outside layout. Yeah, you can technically organize these. Here, if you do the right click, you can add a group, which is how you can group everything together. If you want to like be everything not randomized like this is. So this one will be doing monster. Wait, I already have it. So when it's outside of layer, it will do set angle to player. Set angle to a position, player.x, and player.y. So it'll constantly be following you. And this is the same monsters from the game I did. I only changed the player slide around. So we'll go test it now. I don't know if you guys see it, but there's a plus button up here. So boom. And boom. Ta-da. So it works. I know the monster's following us. I have no idea. So we can even check if they're actually going to come this way. Doesn't look like it. Oh, it's player. Oops. Ooh, monsters outside layer will do that. Oops, I didn't notice that. Now then, we're going to be doing something to the monsters. So watch this. We're going to be going to instant variables. So what we do here is create a new one. add a new one and put it to health as a number and set it to 5, since that's how much health the monsters will have. So next what we're going to do is we'll be doing, instead of monster destroy, we can replace the action. We'll be doing monster subtract from health 1. Then next we will do is right click heal, then monsters compare instant variable health equal less than or equal to 0. It will do monster spawn another object, explosion, layer 1. So I think we'll be getting rid of this one now. Yeah, we'll be changing this explosion. So we'll do that, and then it'll do the monster destroy. And it'll destroy it. Boom. So we did less than 0 because sometimes the health will go into negative numbers, and we don't want that to happen. In case you like shoot it and 2 bullets hit at once, it'll go into a negative instead of staying at 0. So, all you have to do is add it to the players, because it hasn't shown us how to do the players, and I don't think it will. So for play, we'll do the same thing. Add an instant variable, name it health, and we'll be doing 10 for the player, just so you don't die so fast. So we'll do this, we'll do monster on collision with another object, and that object will be the player. We'll do player subtract from health 1, and we'll add one as player health player compare instant variable health equal less than or equal to 0, player destroy, and I'm not going to have him just explode. So we have that done now. Now we'll be doing a scoring system. So we'll be adding a global variable, and this will be called score, and we'll have that as 0. Then we'll be adding one to the monster's health equals 0. It will be system add to score 1. So add 1 to the score. And now we're going to be making another screen and call it the HUD. So you have a HUD screen now. So now you do click on the HUD screen if you haven't already and change its parallax to 0, 0. Anything on the screen will constantly be following the player. So that's why it's there, and I'm going to zoom in for this. Now we'll be adding a text object. Doesn't matter what it is, as long as you see it, it's good enough. And I'll have it that big. Text. I'm just have to see what it says. So what we're gonna do? Bold, italic. A bold italic, and the color will be yellow for some reason. Boom, like that. Now we'll be going here we'll be doing system every tick. Then we do this text set. We'll be starting to at that. Wait, text set text. Okay, set text to keep in the parentheses score do that and score. Boom. I'm going to leave this up here. Once we run it, boom, it should be like this. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, and it's working as you can see. Now you can see there's no space there. I don't know how to fix that. I think what you do is just make this together. I think that fix it. No, it did not. Whatever. Doesn't matter. So, now we have working score. And the last score, by the way, is the score number. So that's what it changes to. So, last thing we're doing is a random mob spawner. So this will spawn the monsters every 3 seconds. So that's what we're doing. So, system every X would be 3. Every 3 seconds, we do system create. Yeah, it's not going to be spawned to me. Create monster layer 1. X would be 14,000. And Y would be, Y would be 1024. Boom. And now we did, so this thing didn't have health. It didn't have health, so the health is something we did on its own. So yeah, that's it. That's basically how you can make a working game. Boom. So the health thing was something I added on my own, it seems. Whatever. Boom. You got it, and it spawns in, and the game will never, ever end. But actually, guys, you know what? I'm not going to do an outro video. So I'm doing on the left bottom of your screen, you'll be seeing my previous video. On the right, you'll be seeing a random video YouTube has suggested for you. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and bye-bye.